social initiatives require right use of technology for creating impact. Excel and Google Sheets are easy to use, but can limit scalability and hinder governance. NGOs need good IT solutions, but struggle to create them in-house. Getting right resources and expertise is extremely difficult. NGO Assist by Feldspar Tech solves such problems for the NGOs, a highly flexible solution built for NGO requirements. Get it configured for your specific needs, launch initiatives quickly, keep your data safe and secure, meet governance requirements. NGO Assist helps you scale up operations, ensure effective governance and benefit from technological advancements. A solution to manage NGO operations. Forget Excel spreadsheets. We help you manage your data anytime, anywhere. Create surveys, collect data, create role-based access. Get started by creating a subdomain for your application. You can create unlimited projects for each initiative you undertake. You can even create projects using your existing Excel spreadsheet with data. You can arrange data in different sections as menus. You can access on all devices. Easy to capture data. Generate reports using your data. You can define roles and create any number of users. Set up application the way you want, with your own settings. We make managing NGO ops super easy. Write to us for a demo at info@feldspartech.com.